Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into the download mode. And to get started, you will want to hold the power key and select power off. And you'll also need to get a cable that you can plug into your computer. So for me it's going to be type A USB to USB-C, and from there plug it in. Give it a moment, it should show up that it's going to be charging. Maybe not. So anyway, once you plug it in, hold volume up and the volume down. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to begin holding it right away. Plug it in. Okay, there we go. So you first need to start holding the keys and then plug it in. And once you do so, it will boot you into this warning message, which is a page before the download mode. So from here, you need to press volume up to continue. And there we go. We are now in the download mode. And that is how you boot into it. And to leave this mode, as you can see, it tells you here how to do so. So you need to hold volume down and power key for more than 7 seconds. And this will initiate a reboot of the device. So I'm gonna do this right now. Power volume down. Now it looks like it only turns off, so let's hold the power key. Now also we can unplug it, the cable is not needed anymore. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.